Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, where we see the world from above. I'm Harsha, and I travel to some of the most beautiful spots to capture stunning drone footage and share my adventures along the way.
A journey from Hyderabad to Hampi during the retreating monsoon season is a scenic experience, offering lush landscapes and vibrant natural beauty along the way. The post-monsoon months, especially October, are considered a prime time when Hampi's surroundings turn green. The Tungabhadra River is swollen and the air is fresh from the recent rains. Hampi's boulder-filled landscape is softened by the abundant greenery and the flowing streams. Water collects in the ancient tanks, the Tungabhadra's currents surge, and the air is scented with the earth and wildflowers. The hill, the rice paddies, the palm groves around the ruins are especially lush and alive with the birds and butterflies. In a sum, a drive from Hyderabad to Hampi during the rain season delivers not just a historical adventure, but also a feast of a natural beauty, making it an unforgettable seasonal escape. The Virupaksha Temple is the oldest shrine, the principal destination for pilgrims and tourists, and remains a Hindu worship site. Parts of Shiva, Pampa, and Durga temples existed in the 11th century. It was extended during the Vijayanagara era. The temple is a collection of smaller temples are regularly repainted. 50-meter high Gopuram, a Hindu monastery dedicated to Vidyaranya of Advaita Vedanta tradition. A water tank, a community kitchen, other monuments, and a 750-meter long ruined stone market with the monolithic Nandi shrine on the east end. Now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hampi attracts visitors from across the globe who came to marvel at its breathtaking beauty, extraordinary architectural feats, and the deep historical echoes that lingers among its ruins. The temple's most striking feature is its imposing nine-tiered Gopuram, soaring nearly 50 meters high, which welcomes visitors into a vast precinct of intricately carved pillars, sanctuaries, and courtyards. Inside the Rangamandapa hall is adorned with the majestic pillars sculpted with mythical creatures and painted ceilings depicting scenes from the Hindu epics and Puranas. What sets Virupaksha apart is its continuity as a place of worship through centuries of history and upheaval. While much of Hampi lies in ruins, the temple remains active, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. The temple architecture showcases mathematical concepts in its design, blending Dravidian and other regional influences, which enhances both its spiritual aura and its visual harmony. Today, Virupaksha Temple is not just an architectural marvel, but a vibrant center of rituals, festivals, and devotion, echoing the enduring legacy of Vijayanagara civilization and the sacred landscape of Hampi. The Vithala Temple and the market complex is over 3 kilometers northeast of the Virupaksha Temple near the banks of Tungabhadra River. It is an artistically sophisticated Hindu temple in Hampi and is part of sacred center of Vijayanagara. It is unclear when the temple was built and who built it. Most scholars date it to a period of construction in the early mid 16th century. The Vithala temple has a Garuda shrine in the form of a stone chariot in the courtyard. It is often pictured the symbol of Hampi. One of the temple's most enchanting features is the hall with 56 musical pillars, each carved from the stone and capable of producing melodic sounds when gently tapped. Believed to have been used for music and dance performances during the festivals. The stone chariot, carved from granite, stands proudly in the courtyard as a shrine dedicated to Garuda, the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Soaring high above Hampi, the ruin reveals a breathtaking tapestry of history and nature intertwined. Below, the sprawling ruins of Vijayanagara Empire unfold their ancient stone temples, rising majestically amid a rugged landscape of immense boulders and lush greenery.
As a drone soars over the UNESCO World Heritage Site, take in the grandeur of a civilization that flourished in the 16th century, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone. Hampi is not just a destination, it is a journey into the heart of India's rich past, where every rock and ruin tells a story of glory, resilience, and beauty. A powerful echo of once glorious civilization embraced by the embrace of nature, inviting wonder and reverence in every frame.